While subterranean termites can cause considerable damage to your property, Formosan termites are also incredibly destructive. Formosans are also known as super termites due to their overly aggressive nature and being able to destroy wooden structures faster than their subterranean cousins. Formosan termites are found throughout the southern United States, southern California, and Hawaii. Like other termite species, Formosan termites has a caste system of workers, soldiers, and reproductives. Workers are around an eighth of an inch long and typically a cream color. They're responsible for eating wood to obtain cellulose. Soldiers are around a quarter of an inch long and are easily identified by their large teardrop-shaped head and pincer-like mandibles that cross. The teardrop head shape will help you distinguish Formosan termites from subterranean or drywood termites. And then there are alates, also known as swarmers. They're about a quarter of an inch long and tan in color and have 4 wings of the same length. These matching wings are the best way to identify swarmer termites over flying ants. The alates are responsible for creating new colonies, so if you see these, it can be a good sign that you have a heavy infestation. You can also look for their discarded wings around your home or structure. Another sign is mud tubes. Like other subterranean termites, Formosan termites also create mud tubes that act as pathways for them to move back and forth from their nest to your structure. Mud tubes are commonly found around wooden structures, foundations, or any structural supports. The termites will travel from their colony in the ground, through the mud tubes, up the foundation, and into the structure. They'll do the same for pier and beam homes and buildings as well. What sets the Formosan termite apart is that they also create nests within walls, called cartons. A carton is made of a mixture of soil, chewed wood, and feces. This acts as a second nest for the colony, where Formosans can continue to ravage wood in a safe, moist, and humid environment. Cartons will house thousands of Formosan termites, and you can check for cartons within your walls by using a moisture meter. You might even see damage from the moisture on your wall if the carton is large enough. Also check for damaged wood around your property. You can use a screwdriver or another sharp-ended object to probe wood for termite galleries. Formosan termites create elaborate tunnels and chambers as they chew through the wood. Like drywood and other subterranean termites, the tunnels will be going with the grain, not against. Formosan termites can cause an incredible amount of damage to your property, but you can control them easily yourself with professional pesticides and equipment from Solutions Pest and Lawn. Be sure to visit our website to get your products today. Subscribe to our channel for more how-to and product videos, and contact us for more tips, tricks, and DIY pest solutions.